Break up over northeast.
For Brolly at some point this weekend though, there'll be spells of dry and quite bright weather. There'll also be some showers or rain around too. First of all, look at that sunshine. Now the red areas denote those regions seeing the really strong and lengthy spells of sunshine today. Once we're into the orange, a little bit of cloud around, and then this is where we saw most of the clouds sticking all day in the western side of Northern Ireland and northwest Scotland. And one thing that has been apparent though is this fairly high cloud moving in from the southwest. It's fairly insubstantial at the moment, just making for hazy evening sunshine. But overnight it could just give the odd spot of rain in these more southwestern areas, just way out in the west here. There'll be a little bit of showery rain, mostly for the north and west of Scotland, the odd spot moving into parts of Northern Ireland too. But for many parts of England and Wales it should stay fine, and in the east could be a bit misty by morning. A bit on the cool side too, but not as cold as it was last night. Well, as far as the weekend's concerned, it really is a bit of a mess. We've got weather fronts moving in from the northwest and other ones being sucked up from the south and southwest as well. Now this one here looks set to extend some rain right up through the Irish Sea area during tomorrow, and later on that will get quite heavy. It's not on its own. There's going to be a thundery low too by the look of it, developing and pushing some thunder and showers up the more eastern areas of England during the daytime. Now for central and eastern areas, most will start off fairly fine, some hazy sunshine and dry conditions, which is where it'll probably stay from the Midlands down towards the Isle of Wight. But those thundery showers rumbling northwards in the east, that rain pushing its way right the way up, later on bringing some heavy falls perhaps to parts of the southwest, Wales, up through northern England and even into parts of southern Scotland. But for most of Scotland and for most of Northern Ireland, the cloudiness and the showers tending to nudge south and east and beginning to brighten a bit in the northwest. Temperatures here about the same as today, but a warm day coming up for some parts of England and Wales, and in the southeast really quite humid too. The low pressure areas tending to move away on Sunday. Cloud over the north